Is RTP and MTP important? Yes, it is. In this video, I will share my CA inter and CA final experience of RTPs and MTPs. And I will also share how you guys can cover your RTPs and MTPs. Also, I can share with you 1.5 days before exam, how should you cover your RTPs and MTPs. Second, for those who doesn't know, what is RTP and MTP? RTP is revision test paper where ICI provides few number of questions for in each chapter based on the past year question papers. And the second is MTP. MTP is mock test paper which ICI wants all the students to know the actual examination experience so that you guys can write a 100-mark paper. So, what is the importance of RTP? You will know what is the exam pattern. You will know the question pattern. You will also know what are the important topics for RTPs. And you will also have a lot of YouTube videos of RTP where the teachers are teaching you the concepts along with the questions. Now, I have uploaded my CA Inter Law RTP for you guys. If you want, check it out. It's in my channel. Now, what is MTP? MTP is mock test paper, and this helps in time management. This also improves your problem solving skills and it gains confidence. Now, a lot of students don't study MTPs and RTPs because they consider that because I do MTP, I do RTP, my confidence goes down. No, till exam in your mind, you will be thinking that I didn't cover MTP, I didn't cover RTP, everybody. So actually, as per a survey conducted, 80 to 85% students are studying MTPs and RTPs. It's not like they are they finished their they finished the entire course. After that, they are covering it. No, actually, what they are doing is they are after every after every chapter they have finished, they are doing it. And in case if they are not good with any particular concept, still they are looking at it. The reason is RTPs and MTPs will give you around 30 to 50 marks. So now tell me, is it important RTP? Everybody should have to know what are the questions given by ICA of RTPs and MTPs of last 2 attempts and of RTPs and MTPs. Now, sir, with studying RTPs and MTPs, what are the benefits? See, you can know how strong is your preparation. 1. 2, you can know how strong is your concepts. 3, you can also analyze the level of confidence in before the examination. Now I'll share with you one important thing, which is how can you do revision in 1.5 days. Before that, I will share a story of my CA Inter and for CA Final, where CA Inter, the very first paper of accounting, where 16-mark question came directly from RTP. 16-mark question. The 16-mark question, that's the 16-mark question which came directly from revision test paper. How was it? It felt very much amazing for me because I did revise it. But a lot of students used to say that, sir, what is the use of it, sir? To all my friends, I made them look at it, and all my friends gathered and we did RTPs and everybody did mistakes. But at the end of the day, in exam, everybody could do it. Now coming to CA Final, where, because I'm a law teacher, I'll share my law experience, where from MTP around 7 to 8 questions. That paper was a difficult paper, but because I studied MTP, they have taken all the sources from the MTPs. The way they have taken the MTP, the way they have framed the questions, everything is based on MTPs. Because of that, it was very easy for me to write the answers the way ICA wanted me to do. So, because if you study RTPs and MTPs, you know how ICA wants you to present the paper. ICA doesn't want you to present the paper like how your teacher does, how your friend does. how it is, how ICI sets the paper. ICI has a particular standard. So because you could see how ICI is trying to answer it, though, and the question comes exactly the same. So ICI also expect you to write the answers exactly like how they have presented. The presentation, not the big. See, if you see RTPs and MTPs, the answers are very big, but ICI is not expecting the exact way, but the presentation, that is very much important. So this is how what my CA experience for a foundation and inter and final experience was this. It was amazing. Because of this, I could clear my CA exams, and thanks to ICA for giving us RTPs and MTP is what I always say to them. So now, how can you do revision? My answer is very simple. One, first I'll talk about those who have already studied the concepts. Take your RTPs, look at the question. Just okay, for this is the answer. So this is the provision, this is the provision, this is the analysis, and this is the conclusion. For if it is a practical paper, you have to, what if possible, do a rough signature. Now coming to MTPs, I want those who have studied the concept. I want you guys to write and practice. Please do write and practice at least before 10 days before the exam, because after 10 days you need utmost confidence. I don't want people to write the mock test like 7 days before the exam, 6 days. No, I want at least 10 days before the exam, because last 10 days of your confidence should be so high that okay, whatever else I will do. Because mock test paper, if it becomes difficult for you, your confidence level might drop. But it is very important, because till the last minute you will think about mock test paper. Okay, so please 10 days before exam try to do it. Now I'll talk about those who have not studied 100%, who are not good with the concept. Listen, because you are doing RTPs and MTPs, which concept you are weak, or which concept you didn't cover, which ICI is expecting you to cover by RTPs and MTPs, that is important. So I want everybody to don't write mock test paper if you are not strong enough. I will not recommend it. I want you guys to see the questions of mock test paper. For this is the question. For this is the question. Okay, for this chapter, this is the question. And okay, for this, okay, I know this question, I don't know this question, everything. I want you guys to go a single question. Okay, now this is how I want you guys to revise. For those who have studied, for those who are not good with the concept till now, this is how the preparation I told you. Now, second is, how will I do 1.5 days before the preparation? Answer is very simple. After you would have gathered a summary note or your notebook, where in 1.5 days this particular book is what I'm going to study. In that, the last page, after every chapter, you have to mention RTP, question number 3, this question, MTP, question number 5, this question. So I just want you to give this RTP question number 5, MTP question number 5. Because of this, okay, you guys know after this particular chapter, I have to just revise. So every chapter you'll be revising it. Because of that 1.5 days revision, you will not think specifically to revise at the last moment. You after every chapter you'll be revising, so at the last moment you will not be thinking about, because already you have covered it. Yes, so this is how this is how you can do the revision. RTP, MTP, it's important. It's really important. This is why this is how all my friends and including me, we did the revision, and which helped us score good marks. So those who did the law RTPs, amazing. But those who didn't do CA in the law RTP, I have already uploaded the video in my YouTube channel. Before finishing this video, I want to talk about one small thing which APJ Abdul Kalam has told us. Whatever may be the depth of the river or lake or pond, whatever there may be the conditions of water, the lily flower always comes out of them and blossoms. Similarly, if there is a definite determination to achieve a goal, even if it is impossible to achieve, the man succeeds. So, if you like this video, do like it and subscribe and press the bell icon for future of all my similar videos. Thank you.